Hello, my name is Kerstin Peters and I'm a visual artist. And if you're reading my blog, you know that I promised you a video of the first Christmas craft I wrote about last week. So I did some preparations. For example, I created a heart template that I will put on a piece of felt, and I doubled the felt. I attached some needles so that it would stay in place. So now I'm taking my template and just a regular pen of any kind, and I'm tracing my template. Make sure that you see the lines all around. Here we go, there's a template of my heart. The next step is I will put the needles in the middle so that my heart will stay in place when I start cutting it. And that's what I did here. These are the two, you can see, the two hearts, the front and the back. So next thing I will separate them so that I have two. The back part I don't need at all. The front part I will need. So I created here the next one. Take this off. So green heart, which is great with some leaves. So I will use 2 leaves. And then I have 5 bigger petals, 5 medium petals, and 5 small petals to create my flower. I will do this now here. I used an odd number because it just looks better. In general, you say take odd numbers. So 5, 7, it doesn't really matter. So I'll put my 5 big leaves on my little heart. Part of my green leaves will now be covered. Then I take the next size, and your leaves don't have to be all the same. For the ease of things, I made my petals all the same. So I put those in 2 on top of the first petals. And I try to overlap them. 4, and here's number 5. And last but not least, I have those small petals here that will come on top of the medium-sized petals. So for the heart that I already worked on, I used some felting in the middle. But not everyone can felt, so if this is not something for you, I found a nice little button, a yellow button, that I could just place on top for the middle of my flower. I can use a different colored thread, for example a green. This way I get the effect I have here with the yellow and green. So we are basically already at the end now, because all we have to do is attach those leaves to our heart. I did this again with a felting needle. You can do it with glue or with a simple stitch that I use here to put the 2 heart pieces together. So once I have embellished my front heart, then I take my back heart and put it behind the front and take a simple stitch in and out to put the 2 pieces together. So if you want to use toy stuffing, your stitches have to be pretty close together, otherwise the stuffing will come out everywhere, and that's something you do not want. I started at the top of the heart. This way, once I'm all around, I have a second part of the thread and I can just put them together, and I already have then the perfect hanger. So depending on the size of your heart can either be a decoration on a door, or if it's smaller, you can hang it on your Christmas tree or any Christmas decorations that you have. You do not have to fill it though. If you fill it, it is more 3D. If you don't, well, then it's flat, but it still will look very nice. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you would like the templates for the leaves or the heart, just let me know and I can send them to you. I can also send you an image and some explanation with regard to the stitches I used or the other stitches that would be possible to close your heart. If you're filling your heart, stitch your heart together till about you get to the other top, because you need some area to put in the filling. Once you added the filling, then you can just finish sewing your two pieces together. Well, I hope you have fun with this. I would love to see some pictures of your finished works. I mean, you do not have to add a flower. You could add a different heart on top of it. That would look nice too. Or a snowman, Santa Claus, whatever comes to your mind. It's all up to you. The sky's the limit. So I hope you had fun watching me and even more fun creating your own Christmas decorations. See you soon. Bye.